How's everybody doing today? My name is Kevin, and today we're gonna make super simple chili. I'm super excited about this recipe today. I just went to the store and bought all this crazy stuff. This is gonna taste so good. First step in the chili is you're gonna take 2 pounds of ground beef or ground turkey. Today I went with ground turkey because it's a little bit healthier and it makes no grease, so it's a lot easier to cook, but choose beef if you like that more. I already cooked up this turkey, so that's all ready to go. And then we're gonna pour that right into the crock pot. Next ingredient is 1 red onion. You're gonna wanna chop it up, mince it up, and then toss that right in the crock pot. Once you got that red onion all chopped up, toss that right into the crock pot. Next, we're gonna take 1/2 of a white onion. Just use any kind of white onion, Vidalia or white or whatever you have. Next ingredient is 2 peppers. Maybe 1 red, 1 green, 2 greens, 2 reds, whatever you have really. I just happen to get a red and a yellow. If only it was green and gold.
It's gonna get there. He turned 32 yesterday. Does he have a vintage moment in him? In the end zone, it is caught!
Wash those up, cut those up, toss them in the crock pot. All right, once you got all those chopped up, toss them in the crock pot. All right, moving right along. Next, we're gonna add 2 cans of diced tomatoes. As you can see here, I got a big can of diced tomatoes, so either use 1 big can, or if you have a smaller can like this, use 2 of them. Right after that, you're gonna add 2 cans of tomato sauce. Once again, today I have a big can of the tomato sauce. If you have small cans, use 2 of them. Dump that right in there. Next, we're gonna add 1 can of beans. Now, these are gonna be beans of your choice. Today, I'm going with pinto beans. Reason being, every time if I go to Chipotle, I always choose the pinto beans. Otherwise, use black beans or kidney beans or whatever other kind of wacky beans you wanna use. Now at this step of the process, we're pretty much done. The last 2 ingredients are more enhancements, and I just want you to add those as you see fit. The first enhancement is a 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and I definitely would add this, but I forgot to buy it. Makes it a little bit sweet. And the other enhancement is hot sauce. So depending on how hot you want your chili, add the hot sauce of your preference. Obviously, my preference is rooster sauce, so that's what I'm gonna add here today. Just squirt that on there. Give it a little extra flavor. Oh, I almost forgot the most important ingredient. Make sure to add some chili seasoning, something like this. Add that to the chili, mix it around in there, and you'll be good to go. Then put the top on, and you're gonna wanna cook this thing on low for 8 hours, or cook it on high for 4 hours. And that wraps it up for today. I hope you guys love this chili recipe, and I will see you guys later.